So I'm the purchasing manager. So I purchase everything that the pin plant needs, from lumber to toilet paper. It all kind of flows through this place. So.
And how long have you been here?
I've been here 22 years. It was kind of a temporary jobs until I found something else, and ended up capturing me kind of, and I've been here ever since.
So Chet, I have to tell you, there's something right to the left of your head, or to my left, and it looks like a familiar logo. Yep, it is. Can you tell me a little bit about what this is and why you have it?
So my sons and I are fans of Dude Perfect. We watch them. We watch them every time a video comes out. We watch them, and quite a few years back, I reached out to them and asked them if they wanted a custom pin with their logo on it. They were excited about it. We made a number of sets for them, and they've been frequented in their videos.
I also noticed that there's some really unique things. Can you tell me a little bit about these items that we have over here in the corner?
So part of my job includes buying the lumber for the plant. And so I have a lot of antiques and artifacts that were from the previous purchasing manager, Carlton Carpenter. He was part of AMF for almost 50 years. If anyone around here in the lumber business knows AMF, they know Carlton Carpenter. And so when he retired, he had a number of different artifacts that he had, a couple of hand saws, a large saw that's displayed out front. But this one is probably my favorite. This is a pike pole, and this is from the days when they'd float logs down the river. And Carpy was with his family having a picnic by the Moose River nearby, and there was a small little bit of this handle sticking out of the water. And when he uncovered it, he uncovered this pole. And we don't know how old it is, but it's originally, it is a pole from the days of floating logs down the river, where they would walk on the logs and move log jams with this pole. And it happened to fall in the river, possibly with the man who was running it. We don't know. And so someday this will make its way to the Adirondack Museum up in Blue Mountain Lake. That's where we'll head eventually.